The US was somewhat justified in supporting the Chilean coup because they helped to destroy Salvador Allende's goal, which partly consisted of turning Chile into a communist country, something the US government was completely against because it went against their political beliefs. However, even though Salvador Allende was fairly elected as Chile's president, the US didn't give a chance to govern the country, which I personally consider completely inappropriate since every president elect has a right to govern during his 4-year term. Salvador Allende was supported by communist dictator Fidel Castro due to the very similar political beliefs they had in common. In those times, the US was going through a series of big conflicts with Cuba, the country dictated by Castro. Therefore, they didn't want a South American country to form a relationship with Cuba, the communist neighbor country. In addition, Allende had the middle class completely against him, and the Soviets didn't support him. What Allende wanted to do was nationalize copper to alleviate poverty, when in reality it wasn't the best way to take his country out of the current situation they were going through. It is important to highlight that in these moments, Chile was going through extreme poverty, economic problems, and they were basically going through a very big crisis. Um, on the other hand, there was evidence about the CEA talking to the Chilean military to take Allende out of power, even though they publicly denied it. The US government, allied with Chilean General Augusto Pinochet, hindered Allende until the point where they decided to bomb the presidential palace, taking Allende out of power so that Pinochet could take power of Chile.